Alright, so this is a quick CAD tutorial. You'll see me in Civil 3D 2021, but this will work in just about any Autodesk platform. So if you've ever tried to open a drawing from the Start tab and had a prompt not open the window for file exploring and selecting the file that you're trying to open, and it just gives you a command line, enter the file location. That is resolved with one quick and easy command. It is one of the most frustrating things to encounter and really hard to figure out exactly how to resolve this issue if you're just searching online. But in today's video, I'm going to show you what that looks like and the command that you can use to change the system setting or the system variable to resolve this issue. And I'll go ahead and tell you right now, the command is FILEDIA, that's FILEDIA, and you enter that into your drawing 1 that automatically opens whenever you start a new instance of CAD, and then you set the system variable from 0, which is what it would be if it doesn't open up the window to find the file, and you set that to 1. Hit enter, and then go back to your Start tab and open File, and a new window will pop right back up. And that is your quick CAD tutorial for today, and then I will go ahead and give you some new business updates here next.